Nearly a fish wound.
Suppose that potty's open.
It's open.
That pot?
I know what it is, but it's an outhouse.
I'm filming.
You have me on film going.
We're on film. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That got us. Well, it needed. I will turn it off.
Sorry. I'm very sorry. I was misbehaving.
You were misbehaving. Yeah, right. Okay, this is good. 1. Let's try that again.
Keep your foot still, Matthew.
Put your feet down, Matthew.
Don't
Put them out in front of you.
You can't. He's got it on that
Oh,
thing.
you've got that thing there? Will they not fall down on that first little...
There you go.
There you go. That's better. I'm trying to get that glare to stop on there. I'm ready. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And try to look pleasant. Act like you're enjoying yourself. Okay, now you'll wait just a minute. Look this way, Kathy, Matthew. Got you. Guys, put your feet up for Con.
Yeah, gotta get there. Hang on.
You gotta get in the right position, huh?
My back's aching. I'm very comfortable, so I'll lay down.
Not the most comfortable bed in the world. Do like Con's doing.
Yeah, this. Sharp rock. Sharp rock. Cold water. Not nearly as cold during the summer.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Gotcha.
Let me get.
Hey, everyone. Everyone. Hey, everyone. I can't get Matthew
He wants
anymore.
to get this walking stick. He wants to fall.
I've got a foothold.
I got an armhole.
I can't reach him.
Well then, all the more reason you shouldn't.
Dad said no. Over there by the rock. It almost looks like a Plecostomus.
Yeah, I saw that. That's the shape of it. Uh-huh.
That was humongous.
Well, a Plecostomus is like one of those that cleans the bottom of your tank, but I've never seen one in the river before. Matthew, make sure you just come back up.
We're 1,600 feet above sea level. 800 feet above. Okay.
Oh, is this the highest? This isn't the highest. The reservoir's not the highest. Is it? Whoa! I've seen it when the water was all the way up to the dark mark at the top. ring around the top.
That's basically a lake almost.
It is a lake. Man-made lake on top of the water, on top of the mountain.
I've seen it. When you come up here and it's up to that top ground level, it looks like the ocean out in front of you. It's huge.
Can I jump in there?
No. It's dangerous. Keep off wall.
You may have fish, yes.
Once they're in, they can't get out.
They pump that up and fill this, and then when they need electricity, they let it down.
Right.
We're only 4 feet off the ground.
All right, Matthew, get back here. Turn in front of Kathy. This
All
way.
right. We can almost be seen. There we go.
1, 2. Don't hunker down, Pecan. Stand up straight.
They can
1,
see me.
2, 3. Ta-da! That got us. I'll go press the post.
How was it doing?
I sure hope I got the top of my head, don't you? It did. More or less. Now, this is a lightweight camera compared to the one you have in your back. But I don't guess I'm going to get a picture with it. Because everyone's leaving. Oh, you're... Oh, I see.
Okay, go get me one. Avalanche.
Right in the very center of the horizon of the picture.
See right where I hit that little red bush down there? Oh yeah! Sorry! That was a mistake! Absolutely nothing happened. Cut the tape! I got it! Maybe not. Don't worry. This one's going good. Okay, maybe not. Just a mistake. It's just a warm-up. That was good!
You want the trash in the van too? Bill?
You guys are really good.
Bill, you want the trash in the van?
Yeah, sure.
Good throw!
Good catch.
I thought I just blew out of his... It's going! It's fine!
Get up.
Good throw.
Okay, this time I'm diving for it.
Safe.
I got it!
You cracked the blacktop. You cracked the asphalt down there, though.